This is a trailing edge ZigBee rotary dimmer, 200 watt load for LED and 300 watt load for incandescent and halogen, CE certified. Let's take a look at the product itself. There is an indicator which shows different color when having different settings. Pairing button for network pairing, touch link, vector reset mode of the dimmer. 2 macro switches for minimum and maximum brightness setting. This rotary dimmer works without neutral wire, so we got 4 terminals here. The first mark means to connect your lamps. P is for push button. B means light is in parallel, and L is for light supply. Now, let's show how to wear. This is a multi-way controller dimmer. It means you can use dozens of push buttons to dim the same group of light in multiple places. First, directly connect load terminal to your lamps, light terminal to your light supply, and P means to connect the push button in the different locations of your house if you need it. Then we test the dimmer. Firstly, press the rotary knob once to turn on the lamp, and keep rotating it to dim down the lamp to reach the satisfied brightness. Rotate the knob again to dim up the lamp. Press to turn off the lamp. Also, you can use the push button in some other places. Press to turn on the lamp, and keep pressing to dim the light. And turn off it. Our ZigBee dimmer can work with Philips Hue, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home. To connect with Philips Hue, please make sure you have your Hue bridge and your phone under the same Wi-Fi. Open the Hue app. Go to the settings, find light setup, and choose add light. Now press the pairing button on the dimmer until see red light on to make sure this device is in factory reset mode, and double press the dimmer to activate the pairing mode. Touch the switch on the phone. After a few seconds, a new light will be found on the screen. Go back to the rooms and zones. Create or choose what room you want for the new phone light. And back to home. Now you can control your light remotely.